Welcome to Dragonflies and Cards official channel. In this video, we'll be making the happy birthday cake Kirigami artwork. I'm Sean Cusick, and here's my wife, Chan Cusick. Today we'll be giving you step-by-step instructions for the amazing piece of artwork, Happy Birthday Cake. You can order the Happy Birthday Cake Kirigami art, M.I.Y, on our website, dragonfliesandcards.com. Link to the order can be found in the comments below. Thank you. Included with your purchase are all the parts you need to make the artwork. 2 glue sticks, 2 PDF files, YouTube link videos, step-by-step instructions. Now I'll show you the tools we will use to make the artwork. Not included but easily found around the house are tweezers. So the tweezers will help you move the pieces around. You may want some chapstick or a pen. You want something that you can use for rolling. You can use the glue that's applied, but then you'll have to run the risk of the glue running everywhere, but you'll need some kind of roller system to press the paper to seal together tight. Glue is included in the kit. It'll clean up easily with water and it's kid safe. When it dries, it will dry clear, and there's about a 15 to 20 second time on it, so make sure you keep it covered up. All of you will have 2 PDF files. The first one is for a pre-setup before you make the artwork. This step will help you arrange all the parts in the right order and make it easy during the time you make the artwork. The second file that you're using will be step-by-step instructions with the pictures. Now we'll start with the first file, pre-setup parts. Please arrange all the parts before you start making the artwork. So now all of us are ready to make the happy birthday cake.
Thank you, and we will be back with you in the next video. Bye.